welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a little different. I want to go over a back testing session, testing out a strategy that I'm going to start using moving forward. We're only going to check from 9:30 to 11 and then we're done. It's going to basically be a strategy based off of the 15-minute and the 1-minute using SMT. So it's something that I've been playing around with overall, and it's something that I really want to do, right? Like I want to be able to just to get on the charts and come off. Unfortunately, my strategy really has not been playing out as much as I wanted to, right? So let's see, 15 minutes. I completely forgot how to use FX replay. Let's see, 15 minutes. Let's play out an hour. There we go. So yeah, something that's more I don't want to use the word aggressive. Something that has more entries, right? Like something that you can sit there and just trade, not sit there and wait all day for a specific strategy to pop up. Even though overall the 5-minute strategy that I have used last year and this year, it's still profitable. I'm gonna continue to trade it as well. However, I know that there's a lot of missed opportunities, and I just wanted to bring a different strategy to the channel, right? So pretty much we're gonna wait for 9:30, right? So let's bring this back down to 15 minutes. All right, so this is, what is this? That's 9 o'clock. It's 9:15. All right. So at this point in time, you're just basically going to mark out areas of interest on the 15-minute, right? So for example, I would want to see, 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. So I would want to see, let's say, I want to draw horizontal right here. This high would be an area of interest. The remaining of this fair value gap would be an area of interest. I don't know why this line is here. Right? That's there. We already took out this low. And then let's say this low would be an area of interest. Right? So dropping down now to the minute. This also on the minute. It's on the 15-minute. Let's drop it down to the minute. We're going to look for a reaction in those areas. Right? And an SMT. Hopefully both, and then we're going to take the trade. So playing price forward, we have a reaction in that area, right? And we do actually have an SMT. So this low here is higher than this low, right? So technically right now, price is not anymore. So there's still valid SMT. We took out this low here. All right, price keeps playing forward. Let's see, next area of interest. All right, perfect. So, all right. So this fair value gap was, support, but then now it's resistance, right? So we broke through, we created a new fair value gap, and this is just reading price, right? So here you have a new fair value gap that we tested and is holding, and right here we have SMT. So basically you have, where's my, sorry guys, it's just not set up like trading view, so, right? Sorry. This one to here, right? Then this one from here to here. So on ES, there's divergence. Now, typically people say that you're supposed to take the weaker one. I'm going to just back testing taking NQ. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a short entry, right? I'm going to, it's going to be extremely tight. I might get stopped out. I don't know. I'm just playing around overall, and we're going to see how it goes. That's how my stop's going to look. I'm going to place my order. Let's see, place order. We don't want to do 1%. 1% is 500 bucks because I'm doing a 50K challenge. So let's drop it down to 250. So it gives me at least 3 losses within the day. Yeah, let's do that. Save market execution. Now let's play price forward. How do I play price forward again here? Full TP. So there you go. And it actually falls even more, right? So that's basically the gist of it. I'm going to take pretty much whatever divergence I see, which, for example, right here is another divergence, right? We took out this low, we engulfed this candle. We did not take out this low, and we engulfed this candle. So technically, the weaker pair is also ES again, but it's going to be the same scenario. We're going to take the long setup here, right? Keep it tight again, right? And we're going to go to 2 times risk, more or less somewhere on there. I'm going to place the order, right? Market, save. All right. So overall, I'm sure that we're probably, if you go to the 15-minute, we're reacting off of something, right? Look, there was a gap here. We might go and fill this gap, but I'm going to still take the trade. We reacted off of this gap. Let's see if we get a quick 20 points. Let's go back to the minute. Play price forward. Full TP. So there's 2 wins. Let's keep playing price forward. Let's see if we get any other SMT starting up again. Before 11, right? Like that's what we're looking for, is before 11 if we get any other SMT. All right, I'm gonna give this a shot. So overall, we didn't take out this high, right? We took it out here. We have a extremely large engulfing candle. So there is SMT, and I'm going to take a short. I'm going to give it a stab at it. We're going to go for extremely tight, 9 points again. I want to target, let's see, 2 risk. See if I catch it. All right, we're going to place the order. Save. We're going to play price out. Damn, full TP. Awesome. So right there, we are up on the account $1,500. And are we done for this day? Pretty sure we're probably going to be done for this day. Shit, I just missed an entry. God damn it. This would have been an entry. Because right here we have divergence again, right? We didn't take out this loan. We took it out here and we didn't take it out here. Come on, baby. I believe we're gonna have Taco Tuesday. You're hungry? Okay, let me just finish the video and then we'll get into it. Okay, you wanna say hi to people?
Hi guys.
It's my beautiful daughter.
Bye guys.
Love you, baby. Damn, I'm really upset that I missed out on that. Shit. Anyways, let's keep playing price forward. That would have been a full TP. Let's see if I could find another entry before. No, it's past our time. So, anyways, missed out on that trade. It would have been a winner, but it is what it is. So far, we've taken 3 trades. We're up $1,500 on the account. Right? This is a 50K account. We need $3,000 to pass. Place order. Let's go to next day open. Next day open is what? This is 8:30. There is some serious news. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. We're going to play price forward until we get to, let's see, 9:15. Perfect. All right. So we have this giant bullish fair value gap that we're reacting off of, right? That we created. Come on, baby.
Where's the suitcase?
What suitcase?
My suitcase.
It should be in that closet. And so we took out all these highs. Let's mark out this high, and let's mark out this high. Remember, we're just marking out areas where we think price is going to react from. All right, so we got this area here, all the way across, and then oops. So let's say this area around here. So typically, I'm just marking out areas where I want to see a reaction again. Like we're looking for SMT, a very strong indication that price is going to reverse, and then we're going to just take our trade, right? It's as simple as that. This happens day in and day out. You are going to have losers, but if you sit there and keep your entries tight, your stop loss tight, it could be profitable, right? Like that's the goal. So we're going to mark out those areas. I already marked out that fair value gap. And you got the rest of this fair value gap that's down here, right? That price can come down and react from. You got that low. I'm not going to mark out that low. And then you got all these lows. right? So, sorry guys. Let's play price forward on the minute after 9:30. See what happens with price. It's just as simple as that, right? 9:30. Price opens up. We gotta change this to the minute because we need to see if there's any type of SMT, which there was, and I missed it again. God damn it. Is what it is. SMT exactly on 9:30, but you know what? That candle really didn't engulf it, so I'm not worried about it. We are all right, cool. We took out those highs. We're reacting from the top. Okay. That is taking a look at price. We are reacting. Let's see. Right there. I'm going to take it. We took out the low on ES. Right? Might not be the best setup, but I'm still going to take it. Right? Overall, we took out the low that was created from 9 a.m. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to take this trade. We're going to just see how it goes. We're going to take a long position on this candle that engulfed, right? We're going to keep our stops tight again. 9 points. See what happens. Somewhere around there. And we're going to target like that. We'll see how it goes. We're going to place the order. What's going on here? This is it. I want to place the order. All right, stop loss, save. Let's see. Let's play price forward. Stopped out. All right. So our first official loss. We take out all these lows. There's a lot of consolidation here, so that was probably not the best pick, but whatever. I took it. It is what it is. We're reacting off of that fair value gap that I marked up. This low is lower than that one. Let's go price forward. It's still lower than that one. This is probably gonna, no, let's see. Alright guys, I'm looking for SMT. And if it goes past 11, I'm not trading. So let's see. This high is this high. Obviously, we took out the liquidity. We created a bearish candle engulfing the previous candle. There is some SMT here, right? So if you're looking at price, this is what this looks like. And then here, this is what this looks like. So I'm going to take the trade again. I'm giving myself a chance. I'm being really aggressive because these are evals, right? So I'm giving myself a shot at 3 losses within the day. And that's it. right? Place order, save, play price forward. All right, I'm taking profit there because that's way more than a save. I guess I didn't take profit there. Whatever, full TP. There you go. So, one loss, one win, right? Reacted off of that fair value gap above, created SMT, and then I took the sell. That was pretty much it. Or I doubt we're going to get another entry. Plain price forward. 11 o'clock. We're done for the day. Now we go to the next day. Go to next day open. All right. What do we got going on here? Next day open. Let's close this out. Let's close this out. Let's close this out. We're going to jump to the 15-minute. We're going to jump to the 15-minute. Right? And then same thing. We're going to mark out areas that we believe price is going to react from. It's as easy as that. I guess it was a holiday or something. Let's go to next day open. 8:45. 9 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. Next one's 9:15. All right. So we're going to mark out areas we believe the price is going to react from. We're going to mark out this fair value gap here because we took out the highs. Just going to mark out this whole entire thing. Obviously the lows, right? We're going to mark out the lows right there. Let's mark out down here. There's a fair value gap over here it could react from, right? And then let's go to the hourly and see how it's looking. All right, so it looks like we are at, no, we're not at all-time highs. All right, so we're right there. And then you got this hourly fair value gap that price might react from. Jesus. All right. Let's go back to the 15-minute. All right. We're going to drop down to the minute and see how price reacts from those areas. All right. As simple as that. Plain price forward. Price continues to push up. Oh, that was the 15-minute. God damn it. Oh, this is on the 1 minute. Good. All right, cool. I didn't fuck up. Sorry, guys. All right. So we created SMT off of the 930 candle. Here we took out these lows and completely pushed up into that fair value gap. I'm not going to take this trade, but there is SMT. So taking a long position hypothetically, right? Targeting 2 times risk, keeping your stops tight. You know, we should technically hit. Oh, and we don't. Cool. I'm glad I didn't take that. We're reacting off of the fair value gap that I marked up. However, we did not create any SMT. So I would want to see price come back up at some point and create SMT. This is higher than here. I wouldn't take Might play out, which it does. Take out all that. Nope. Trying to be cautious with my entries. As cautious as I can be. Shit, there was SMT right there and I missed it. Would have been on this candle. This candle took the high. Oh. Looks like I might be able to use this day. Let's see. Reacting. Alright, I'm gonna take this. We took out liquidity with this candle. Here we didn't, right? Even though this candle didn't end up bullish, that's kind of pissing me off. Should have taken it. Well, let's see if I hop in late. Long position, right? Reason why I'm taking this is we engulfed, right? This fair value gap, we inversed it. So non-point stop, right? We're going to target the highs and see what happens. Place the order. Place the order. Save. And let's play price forward. No. Full TP. Nice. All right, cool. So again, if you guys are a little confused, basically the SMT was right here, from here to here. You had that same entry was here to here. Price pushed up. It was bullish. Typically, I want to see an engulfing candle on both, or a bullish candle on ES and NQ. But the fact that we inverted this fair value gap, that was still a solid entry. And full TP, right? So we're officially $500 away from passing this challenge. To go. Let's play price forward, see if we catch a trade before 11, and no. 11 o'clock hit, and we're done trading, guys. So let's go to the next day. Next day open. Same scenario, 15 minutes. Right? We're going to delete all of this drawing and shit. And we're just going to rinse and repeat. Mark up areas where we believe that price is going to react from. That's all you have to do. Right? Mark up areas where you believe price will react from. So obviously we are completely bearish. So we're looking at any of these fair value gaps, right, for price to push back up into. Let me play price forward a little bit. That's what, 8:30. That's 9 o'clock. And there's 9:15. All right, so now you have this low. You got this low. You got this low. You got that low. You got that low. Bam. And bam. So let's drop down to the minute and take a look at how price is playing out. 1 minute. 9:30. Price pushes up. We're in some fair value gaps. All right, cool. Price pushes back down. Price continues to push up. We're in those fair value gaps. At this point, I want to see this high taken out, but not taken out on ES, or vice versa. Continues pushing up. Continues to push up. All right. Let's see. Those are equal highs. All right. I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see. I'm gonna short it here. Not sure if it's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. I'm going to place the order. Save. No, not in my favor. Yeah, I should have known better. Those equal highs were just, a magnet for price to continue to go up. Let's see. Did I get anything? Here we go. I'm taking it again, guys. Short position. All right. 9-point stop. I'm gonna open up my take profit, place order, save. Again, if you guys are confused, we are in a fair value gap that we marked up, and we have divergence, right? And an engulfing candle. Simple as that. Line price forward. Give me what? I'm not at the 2.0 risk yet. I'm gonna keep it where it's at. Should have taken break even, huh? Should have taken break even. Jeez, that sucks. All right, it is what it is. Can't get upset, right? I'm the one who decided to take the risk. I could have fucking sat there and went to break even, but I didn't. But that should have been either a break even trade or a solid win, right? That's what it should have been. Let's give it one more try. So that's what, 2 losses so far? If I lose this one, we move on to the next day. We're gonna place the order. Save. We're gonna play price forward. See if we catch something. Nope. Losing day for me. So that would have been, let's see. This could have been a break-even trade. Honestly, it should have been almost a TP. And this here could have been a loss. But it is what it is. So I took 3 losses. Okay. So let's just jump to the next day. Go to the next day. Where's my next day? Next day open. And we're gonna do the whole same scenario again. Same scenario again. We're gonna delete this. Delete this. We're gonna mark out areas that we believe price can react from. I'm gonna leave those because they're still valid, right? And I'm gonna mark out, let's say, these highs. We're already above. Let's play price forward. Price continues to go up. 8:45, 9 o'clock, and this is 9:15. So we have the high that was created by itself. We got these highs. Okay. So dropping down to the minute, we have this high here as well, right? We're gonna see if we get any SMT, and hopefully we get a trade. Reacting from that fair value gap. Perfect. All right. As you can see, we're going to take the entry. We have SMT. All right. A giant engulfing candle. We're going to take a long position. We're going to keep tight stops. All right, tight stops. And we're going to place an order. And we're going to play out price. Full TP. We're back on the money. Right? Let's see if we get anything else. So obviously, you guys saw the SMT was created. We swept all these little lows that were created over here. Nothing that I actually marked up, but still, you're getting the gist of what's going on and how it happens. You just have to adjust your risk to reward, right? So overall, we had a giant push down, right? And we're breaking the highs on ES. So I would like to see a nice bearish engulfing candle, which we got here. We get here. I'm gonna take this short and see if I can catch a few points. We can engulf this small fair value gap. I should have gotten the candle before, technically, but I'm gonna see how it plays out. I'll place the order. I'm gonna play price forward. Play price forward again. Stop down. It is what it is. I should have gone to break even, but I'm just. I feel like this is the issue I have. This is the issue I have when trading, right? Yeah. I'm gonna give it one more shot. Where it's like the issue as far as like being eager to trade and jumping in. Place the order. Alright, and we're gonna play price forward. Alright, full TP. Yeah. And look, we hit our goal. Overall, obviously, you guys know that I wanted to go in on this trade because we were still, overall, if you look at it, right, we reacted off of premium, right? 61.8 pushing down off of this leg in price. Now, I kept maybe I kept my stops too tight for that example, right? I got in late on the trade. I should have gotten in a little earlier when I noticed the divergence, but I played out the candles too fast. Then we definitely created divergence here, right? We engulfed and inverted this fair value gap, right? Engulfed this whole candle, and we took the sell. It's as easy as that, right? Right there, taking a look at how do I go? I haven't done this in such a long time. How do I exit out of here? Journal. Your journal is empty. That's new. How do I go to like exit? Let me see. FX replay. And I click on this and I want to see analytics. So overall, we have a 58.33% win rate, right? Which is not bad. To be completely honest, fucking great. It's a higher win rate than I have right now, but this is, you know, a very small test sample, right? But I've been doing this consistently every day overall. So it's something to keep, you know, keep your eye on. Can I just break down May? There's no way of just breaking down May to see the days per trade. Okay, I guess they're here. So we traded Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So obviously we had a killer day on Thursday. So we made our bulk of our money. Lost on Wednesday, one on Tuesday, and one on Friday. Right? As simple as that. 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days, and we were able to hit our goal for passing a 50K challenge. So I am more than likely going to start doing some live sessions, exactly how you saw. One, I feel like it's going to help me be a little more accountable with this strategy, because yeah, sometimes I do get a little reckless. So as long as I'm on the live stream, I'm hoping that the same way that this channel kept me accountable, the live stream will also keep me accountable. I'm gonna live stream the actual entries, the trades, the markups, analyzing the market, and it's extremely simple, right? Like it's extremely simple. If we go, let's see, trading view. If you go into today, right? Let's just so you know, like that was earlier this month, right? Where are we today? Here we are. Looking at today, the way price played out on the minute, you had divergence. Is it this one? I'm sorry. It's from here to here. There you go. You had divergence, right? Here's your 930, 932 engulfed, right? Short. And obviously full TP, right? You could have tried to write it down, whatever you wanted. It was a very, very nice trade. And you have, let's see, this candle here. You might have taken a loss. If you weren't in on this winner, you might have taken a loss here, right? Because technically, yeah, there's divergence here. So you could have taken a loss here. So let's say that you actually took that loss. So you traded them both. You were lucky enough, and this one ended up as a loser, right? and then you just waited for the next entry. The next entry would have been, you have divergence there, which is right here to here, right? You could have taken a long position here, broke above all those highs, kept your stop tight, full TP. Win, lose, win, right? You have divergence here, but there's no real engulfing candle. And then you have divergence here. Right. This is like right on. This is like right on 11 short. So let's say you might have just not missed this trade, not taken it. And this would have been like a break-even trade. The reason why I take it here is because it engulfed it inverted the fair value gap, right? But you can see that the strategy plays out. Even over here, there's no engulfing candle, so but you see that the divergence, there was divergence here, price push up, right? So today there were some solid winners. I'm trying to do something that is very, very like just 9:30 to 11. I'm done. I'm probably gonna live stream this stuff, so maybe you guys can follow along. And yeah, something else that I could add to the channel, and also add to my arsenal of trades, right? Let me know what you guys think. I know it's not my typical video. Today, I did not take the trade that played out today. So, unfortunately, today's trade, I didn't take it. I'm going to explain to you why right now. Right? Looking at the 5-minute chart, we were obviously looking for a buy setup, right? And the reason why I didn't take it was we didn't displace above this high. Like I needed, unfortunately, what I needed was this high to be closed above. We did have a close above, but then automatically a candle came back down and closed below. At that point in time, I wasn't confident with that trade. Not to mention that we had SMT here. Like if you're looking at ES on the 5-minute, let's see, ES on the 5-minute, there should be some SMT. Yeah, see, going up, coming down, just like major SMT. So what I decided to do was wait for price to react, and price didn't react on the 1-minute until we broke this low. So price just continued to plummet. This was actually at the 61.8, but I wanted to see an actual market structure shift for me to be like, okay, I'll give it a shot, right? And then I would have kept my stops tighter. We didn't get it until here, right? The moment that we broke this high, to be honest, and looking at it here on the 1-minute as well, you're gonna notice right? This high, this high. I got in at the close of this candle here. That's where I decided, and I went half risk. I didn't go full risk. So I can't. I'm gonna mark it up as a loss for my Excel sheet, but I went for half risk, targeting 2 times risk, right? And the trade hit, but I only made $1,000 on it. So the account is sitting at 318 right now. So that's pretty much what I did there. So and that kind of was like when I was trading today, I was like, damn, it sucks where the trade doesn't play out, and I want to just give value to you guys. So it's something that I've been playing around with, and hopefully you guys can put your own spin on it, do your own back test, and see if it's profitable for you guys. I'm gonna be completely honest. The stop, I'm keeping it tight. However, depending on where we are in the market, seasonal wise, you do have to open up your stop, right? You might want to target more points so you can have a bigger stop, stuff like that. But play around with it, do your back test, and let me know. Anyways, I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Take care, guys.